BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to my last analysis, when the price was exactly here, from here, we mentioned we're looking for buy. And we mentioned if we get any buy, we want to see the breakout of this trend line. As you can see, the price exactly take and no one see the reversal or not. Okay, to trade for this one, the only way was based on 1 hour chart to trade based on this correction. The best way was to trade if we trade based on 15 minutes. Okay, and there based on 15 minutes, we had the opportunity to look for trade either from here or from here. But anyone get the trade within this, no, they have to start to manage, because from what we can see here, maybe we can expect this one either reverse or turn to a deeper correction. Okay, because we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this trend line, but as we can see the price tag, but it couldn't break. Now once it was the next, now we need to be quite careful. We may, if in case there is a possibility that this one can turn to a deeper correction, that's why this one may can drop. Okay, and if we move to daily chart, as we can see, the price broke the previous top, almost at the previous top, and start to correct. That's why we mentioned any trade within this range for buy, we need to be quite careful. That means we should have proper management. If this is not moving, what I mean by proper management, that means for we're looking for buy, but we know that where we're looking for buy is at the top of the previous correction. And there is a possibility this one turn to a deeper correction. That means this one turn to more complex correction. Okay, it doesn't mean we cannot trade within this. We can trade, we can look for buy, and for short term, for long term, we're looking for buy. And in case there is a continuation, okay, that's why whatever the trade we take, but we start to manage. We see if we see it's not moving in the way what we want it, we start to take either we move our stop loss to break even, or we take out the trade. Okay, this is what I mean by management. At least we should know what's our target, where I mean what we want and how we want to move. For example, sometimes I mentioned we're looking for the sharp move. If it turns to a corrective move, we take out the trade. It doesn't mean sometimes it continue as a corrective move, but what we are not interested in the corrective move, because we know the possibility of the corrective is a reversal. Okay, based on the different trade. That's why whenever I mention we're looking for the sharp move, this is what I mean. And what I want to say is that whenever I say by management, at least I make it very simple. If it's not moving in the way what we wanted, we take out the trade and we wait for the next trade setup. Okay, and right now I think this the way it's moving. Still, we can expect this one to drop. Okay, we can expect this one to turn to a bigger correction. That's why, based on 1 hour chart, I mentioned the trades we get, since we have been looking for buy, we should take out all the trades in the profit. And what I can see here, still we can expect this one drop. And if we get any continuation with the flag, we can look for the short-term sell. Okay, right now we cannot look for buy because this is what we can see is we can expect the price to drop. Okay, anyway, right now we don't have any trade set up. If we get any opportunity to look for sell, we can look for the short-term sell. But the only thing is, whoever get the trade within this, they have to start to manage or take. It's better for me. I will take out in the profit and I will wait for the next trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.